To download the Whoop sign-up process is straightforward and can be completed in a few steps. First, open a web browser and navigate to the Whoop website. Click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the page. You will be directed to a new page where you will need to enter some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Fill out the required fields and click on the Create Account button. You will then be asked to provide some additional information such as your height, weight, and date of birth. This information is used to help track your fitness and wellness goals. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to the Whoop dashboard where you can start exploring the various features and tools available. You can also download the Whoop mobile app to track your data on the go. To download the Whoop mobile app, navigate to the App Store on your device and search for Whoop. Click on the Install button and wait for the app to download and install. Once the app is installed, open it and log in with the email address and password you created during the sign-up process. You will then be able to access all of the features and tools available on the Whoop platform. It is recommended that you read and understand the terms of service and privacy policy before signing up for a Whoop account. This will help you understand how your data is being used and protected. By following these steps, you can easily download and sign up for a Whoop account and start tracking your fitness and wellness goals. The process is quick and easy, and can be completed in just a few minutes.